It was around 10:30 Monday evening when Mary Robinson's granddaughter-in-law burst through the front door of her home.
She says, "The house is on fire."
When Robinson stepped onto her porch, she saw flames swallowing the family home right next door. She quickly realized that her grandchildren were inside the inferno. As she dialed 911, her son-in-law, Cornelius Tate, ran into the burning home, risking his life to rescue his kids, Gracie and Christopher.
He went in and got his children, and he's got the seeing child to prove it.
Her grandchildren were transported to a burn center in Georgia. Their dad, Cornelius, is at a burn center in Brandon. Another child, Gabrielle, was also pulled from the house. She was treated and released at the North Mississippi Medical Center. As friends and family helped bury several pets who were also lost in the blaze, Mary Robinson, who is also a pastor, stood in front of the house thinking of the family's most pressing needs.
Spiritual needs is everybody that know how to get a prayer through is pray for the family. I feel the physical need of this family is they all need clothes. Anything that a family can use and as necessity or non-necessity items. We need underclothes, top clothes, shoes, coats, dresses, everything that person would need to survive.
Robinson, whose family has owned land on Ford Avenue for decades, also knows things could have turned out much worse.
We thank God that the family was saved. Even though the home is gone, we thank God that we lost no family members. And we ask you to continue to pray for especially the children.
In Guntown, I'm Allie Martin, WCBI News.
The sleep.
Yeah, oh yeah.